Hi, my name is Zach Miller. The date is November 9th, 2021. This is for SATC 420 Management Systems. This is how I prepare an audit plan for Classic Business. Classic Business Products, a coffee machine sales and service company, contacted me about an audit before the new year. During our discussion about how I would perform the audit, the company's owner asked that I outline my plan. My first step in preparation for this audit was to locate a day and time that worked best for the firm. When my team and I come to do the audit, we must be free of corporate staff. But before we start the audit, I need to discuss access, health and safety, environmental security, and confidentiality with my client. I will assign duties and responsibilities to your employees so they may assist my audit team and give necessary information. In certain cases, information may be needed to identify possible interviewees or to facilitate access to specific locations. I'll hold a meeting with my employees to prepare them for the audit. My first step would be to ensure that everyone understands the audit strategy and that all planned audit tasks can be completed. We shall host a meeting where my staff may raise questions and I will try my best to answer them. We will communicate with each other and our clients. So, to communicate information, evaluate the audit's progress, and shift duties as appropriate. Our team will keep the auditee and audit client informed of every stage of the audit process. Notifying the auditee or audit client immediately if there is any information indicating an immediate and serious risk. Unresolved issues should be reported to audit client and or auditors. Our team will inform the audit client and the auditor if the audit goals cannot be accomplished based on the available evidence. If the audit scope, goals, or plans change, the audit is terminated. In preparing, then we'll evaluate your company's documentation to ensure the system meets audit requirements and collect evidence for the audit. Our evaluation will not harm the audit's efficiency if it is included in the audit and continues throughout. We will analyze the audit goals, scope, and criteria and collect data on the organization's roles, activities, and procedures. We'll conduct an audit of your company once we've investigated it. These steps will be followed by a review of our audit results and conclusion. In order to get our audit findings, we'll compare our evidence to the audit criteria. The audit finding will reflect whether the audit criteria have been satisfied, and the audit conclusion will be made. The audit results and any other relevant materials will be reviewed and conclusions will be agreed upon, taking into consideration audit uncertainty. We will also review audit follow-up and create suggestions as indicated in the audit plan. In our audit conclusion, we'll discuss how effectively the management system was implemented, maintained, and improved. How will the audit objectives were accomplished, and any patterns we've seen in other areas that have been examined individually or jointly in the past. Afterwards, we'll present the findings and draw conclusions. In this meeting, we will be audited, firm's management, the audit client, other audit team members, and important stakeholders as specified by the company's owner. According to the agreed upon process, audit findings should be addressed upon the consequences of not adequately addressing audit findings and any related post-audit activities that may be implemented.